Hello everybody. In this video I'm showing you how to enable and disable neighborhood notifications in your Ring video doorbell. Actually, because of too many of my viewers on YouTube, they asked me how to disable some of the features. I'm making this video because normally you are getting notifications of any event in the neighborhood. If someone's pets missing, if there's bad weather, traffic, and what have you, you get notifications. And sometimes these notifications could be overwhelming and disturbing, and especially if you're driving, it could take your attention away. So we are learning how to disable some of these features, and here's how we do it. So first thing you need to do is you need to obviously open your Ring app. Once you open the Ring app, on the very top left corner you see those three little lines. Click on that line and then go to settings. In the settings, go to neighborhood settings at the bottom. And the neighborhood settings, right here it says neighborhood settings again. Click on that. And right here it says customizing the notification settings. So which one you want to customize? So here are the comments on posts and public safety. Those are the ones you can feed settings. You could adjust which ones you want to be informed about. If the box is checked, you will get that feed. If it's unchecked, you will not get that feed. So these are the things that you will change, check or uncheck, and then you click apply at the bottom, and that's it. And that's how you change those settings, and you keep hitting that. You keep hitting that to get back to your normal screen, and that is how you change the notification settings. I hope this was educational and you learned a thing or two. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.